everyone. Myself Pavitra, currently I am in batch 3 PCM and I am pursuing my honors degree from Economics, Nizam College. Today I am going to speak about something that really inspires every Indian heart. That is the relevance of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's vision in today's India. Whenever I hear the name Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the word that constantly comes to my mind is inspiration. He was not just a scientist and even a president. He is actually known as people's president and a teacher who ignited millions of minds to see a dream, that is India as a developed nation. Today, as we move forward from Vision 2020 to Viksit Bharat 2047, I strongly believe that Kalam's vision is not just relevant, but it's actually a roadmap to a modern India. Dr. Kalam dreamed of an India that was strong, self-reliant, and inclusive, where science and spirituality goes hand in hand, and progress that not just sticks to particular cities, but it actually goes to the every corner of the nation. His concept of Pura, like providing urban amenities to rural areas, is actually years ahead of its time. And today, when we see programs like Digital India, rural startups, and smart villages, we actually see that Kalam's vision is turning into a reality. He always believed that youth are the greatest asset of this nation, and look around that young innovators are now creating unicorn startups, leading space missions, and even excelling in technology that is bringing a recognition on a global platform to the India. This is exactly what Dr. Kalam envisioned, and he actually visioned about India where youth are not just job seekers but actually job creators. His vision also included education with values, where that does just not produce degree holders but actually that produce responsible citizens who actually serve society with great compassion and integrity. And today's new education policy 2020 actually focuses on creativity, research development, and even research oriented, and beautifully every aspect of that is actually going to come true. Dr. Kalam also emphasized about self-reliance in technology and defense. And today, India proudly creates and builds its own fighter jets, satellites, and even our very own Chandrayaan 3 that made us first nation to stand on South Pole, near the South Pole of Moon. And every such success is going to remind us, and it is whispering in our ears that Kalam's India is rising. But what makes his vision truly timeless is its hopeful spirit. Even when whole world is doubtful about our capabilities, he suggested us that believe in ourselves and in our own selves. Yes, we still have challenges like poverty, unemployment, and even inequality, but I see new energy in all these young minds, and I truly believe that there are many young volunteers here working for a social cause, and even young innovators, those who work on clean energy, and we are going to build a nation that actually Kalam sir envisioned. And let us keep this flame alive, and hopefully by 2047 India is going to celebrate its 100 years of independence. Then we would proudly say that yes, we made Dr. Kalam sir vision true. Jai Hind, thank you.